Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Line application. So for that, first of all, you open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you are using the iOS device, you can tap open the Apple Store and you can download the app from there. Now once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap on search bar and type in Line. Tap on search. There's the application. You need to tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Line is a instant communication on electronic devices like smartphone, iOS, Androids and other, where you can exchange text, message, video and audio and other. Line helps you stay connected with the people around you. You can see the application has been fully downloaded. Now you need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Line app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.